I have been an avid reader my entire life. And only up until recently, I never really thought that I could make $1 off of reading, right? Well, I came across a very peculiar uh, YouTube channel, and I started digging into it, and I'm like, man, this person has to be making a killing off of this. And what they're doing is simple book reviews. They're just reading stuff that they really, really enjoy, and they make videos on it, right? I'm going to dissect all of that in this video today. I'm going to show you how you can make upwards of 5 to 10 grand at the peak, at the creme de la creme channels that are making. So even if you hit somewhere in the middle, you can definitely make a full-time income just by reading books and giving your opinion on a video. All right, let's jump into it. I'm going to show you the step-by-step process. Now, mind you, warning, big warning here, I don't currently do this, okay? So all of this right here is going to be theory, okay? It's very important that you know that, because I don't have any factual payment proofs or anything to give you to that. So, but what I can show you is different aspects of their channel, and we can get a pretty good, better than ballpark understanding of what they're doing, okay? So I hope you like this video. I'm trying out a new little mobile thing. My daughter's doing soccer right now, so I really wanted to get this video out, and I don't have a lot of time, so I'm like, you know what? Hopefully it works. So let's get on to the good stuff. Sorry to bore you with that kind of stuff. So if you do a simple search in YouTube and you look under book review, you get all these channels right here, right? And as you can see here, so I mean, you would never, let me scroll this over a little bit here. All these channels right here, you look at, oh, click the wrong thing. Well, we'll go into this one. This one has 407,000 subscribers, right? She has got a really, really good subscriber base, right? And I think I clicked on her earlier anyways, but these are her videos, right? And as you can see here, she's not uploading every single, like, daily, right? She's uploading what looks like once a week, maybe a couple times a week. It looks like about once a week. She's got really good thumbnails. I don't even think at this point her titles are really that good, but I mean, she's got such a big fan base that she's drawing in 31,000, 35,000, 45,000 views per video, right? That's really, really good. So how are you going to make money on this, right? So yeah, here's her social blade right here, Poland Banana Books, right? So as you can see here, she's got a estimated monthly earnings of $100 all the way to basically $1,700. Now, Social Blade hasn't really gotten it accurate for a long time, and I hear a lot of YouTubers saying that it's really, really low. So I'm guessing it's probably somewhere between $1,000 and $3,000 a month in AdSense. I don't know what kind of ads are on a book review, so I clicked on one of her videos or somebody else's videos, and I seen like a makeup ad. So I mean, it's probably going to be on par with like makeup, maybe even gaming or something. So I'm guessing somewhere around $2 per thousand, maybe upwards of $5 per thousand. But this money right here is really just the icing. Like, your AdSense money is not a lot, right? It's not what's really going to make you the killing, right? So as you can see, this is her daily subscribers / video views. And in the last 30 days, she got over almost 1,100 subscribers to her channel, and she had a total of 426,000 views, right? So right now we're gonna call it conservatively $1,000 is what she's making monthly just from AdSense, which is, I mean, that's a good side hustle. I mean, that's gonna pay the rent, electric kind of thing, but it isn't where we're, what we're aiming for, right? So let's take a look, because it's really important. I want to show you one of her, I think it was, I click on this one of her videos here.
Hello, I'm Christina. and it's time for stories.
Oh my God, there we go. Okay, so look at what she's actually doing here, right? If you look in the description here, she's actually selling her own book, right? She has a book herself. She also is, I think she was doing like Audible and Kindle, right? And I don't think it's in this one, but she's also doing Audible and Kindle as a, I wish I knew which one I clicked on. She's doing Audible and Kindle as things that she's also promoting, right? So if you come over here, and this is Amazon affiliate program, and these are the different percentages of what you can sell, right? So you've seen that she's promoting her book, right? Which I think is a 4%, which her book is probably somewhere between 99 cents at the low end all the way up to $9.99, depending. I don't know what kind of book she has. So you're not making a killing off of that, right? What you are going to make a killing off of is when they click your link and it takes them over to Amazon, and anything that they buy is now part of that. So she's actually promoting her own book, and then on top of it, she's getting the affiliate commissions from anything that they buy, right? So if you scroll down here, if they buy an Audible book from you, it's 50 cents they get, right? Which isn't that great. But if you look here and they do an Audible free trial, you get $5, right? That's really, really good. I mean, it's something that if you're passionate about and if you don't have Audible and somebody it's like one of those things where it's like, holy cow. And then if you scroll down to here, Kindle Unlimited free trial is $3, right? So, and if you're into romance, you can get them into the romance package, which is another $5, right? So that's where you're going to make a pretty good percentage of your money. You're going to make it just works like a Amazon niche website, right? So you're promoting whatever book that you just read, right? You promote them with an Amazon associate link, and anything they buy along with that book, you've tagged them with that cookie, so you're going to make the commission on anything that they buy. So if they end up with like a $200 order, roughly on 5%, I don't know what that exactly is, but you make like $20. That's 10%. You're gonna make, $10-20 off of that, right? But here's the kicker: if you get them into a free trial, you're making $5. So that girl had 426,000 views, right? Let's see if I can get this right. That's going to, of course, backwards. Let's say that you had a conversion rate of just 1%, right? Conversion rate, 1%, right? That's going to get you 4,260 different sales, right? Roughly. Now, if we multiply that times $3, that's around $12,000, right? Now, obviously, there's more conversions to come here, like, the click-through rate for there, and then the click-through rate to blah, blah, blah. But she's probably making conservatively off of pushing her book and pushing the other thing, the Audible. She's probably making right around 10 grand off of that stuff alone, right? So she's probably making, I would say conservatively, around, $10,000 to $12,000 off of this channel just by doing reviews, right? And as you can see, you don't have to have a giant channel to do that. You don't have to have 407,000 followers. If you had 20% of what she had, you're going to be making, around 2 grand, which is great. Something to start out with, right? So there's a billion different ways that you can spin this. You can spin it where you can do it with music as well, where you reviewed music. You can review music books or whatever. You can review romance books. You can get into Kindle publishing like she did and actually publish your own books along with that and make the money off of the publishing as well. There's a bunch of different ways. You can literally have people ghostwrite romance novel books. You promote your own book and make the commission off of that as well. There's 100 different ways that you can spin this. Anything pop culture, anything that you read, watch, any of that kind of stuff, eat. You know, you can have restaurant reviews, food reviews. You know, Amazon has different products that you could buy from the pantry. There's just literally a ton of different ways that you could spin this. So basically, it's going to work. Your YouTube channel, just to recap, is going to work like a Amazon niche website, but instead you're doing videos, right? So you're going to have the affiliate link in every single video. You know, she and this one and her channel has made 816 videos. Now, mind you, she has probably been on YouTube for quite a while, right? If she did, like, she's only doing a video a month right now, or excuse me, a video a week. But if you were to start out and you were doing videos, you would probably do a couple videos, if not a video every day, if you possibly could, because you really only need the synopsis of the book. You don't really need to read the entire book. But basically, you're going to have a ton of video library backing up with all those different affiliate links and promoting Audible, promoting Kindle Unlimited, promoting the romance. There's just a bunch of different ways that you can spin this. This is something that anybody can do. You don't have to be a great guru. And what we're going to do to drive traffic to this is we're going to go to different forums, right? If you come up into Google and you look for, you know, book review forums, there we go. So you're going to have booktalk.org. I've never even heard of that. Online book club discussions. And what you're going to do is you're going to join all these different forums, and you're going to make a video and then post that video. You're going to write a review in each one of these different forums. You're going to post your YouTube video. You're going to embed it right in there so people can watch. So you're going to grow your channel really, 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 really quick. So it's going to be a matter of, you know, a couple months to get up to 10, 20, 30,000. You know, you could probably do that in 6 months. This is definitely a long-term game, but this is where you're going to actually do a legitimate business with branding and everything. This is something that can't really get oversaturated. It's YouTube. You can't oversaturate YouTube to that point. If you're on your point and you're doing the things that you're supposed to, this could definitely work for you. And you can expand your mind. That doesn't have to be for book reviews, right? If you can get into anything that people are passionate about and have a channel about vaping, right? If you have, if you're really big into vaping and you can actually do like the different kits and the different, you know, flavors, you can test all that kind of stuff. It's the same concept over and over and over again. You can literally do this with anything that people are really, really passionate about. So you can do it with painting, art, food. It doesn't really matter. So I hope that you guys got some knowledge from this. I hope that this is something that you guys really feel that you could dig your claws into your mitts and really make some serious hardcore cash from this. This is definitely something that I think that anybody could do at any given time. I hope you guys really liked the video. If you have any questions, leave them down below. If I left anything out, go ahead and comment on them, and I'll try to, you know, answer your questions down below. Make sure that you like the video. Make sure that you subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.